Demystifying Fireworks. Light up your vocabulary. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into a word that is both literal and figurative, bright and vibrant. The word is fireworks. Have you heard of it before? Let's illuminate its meanings and uses. When we talk about fireworks, the first image that might pop into your mind is a dark sky suddenly illuminated with colorful explosions. Fireworks are devices filled with gunpowder and other chemicals, which, when ignited, produce vibrant displays of light, color, and sometimes sound. They're often used in celebrations, festivals, and events worldwide. Examples: people often watch fireworks on New Year's Eve. The firework display during the festival was breathtaking. Beyond the literal meaning, the term fireworks can be used in a figurative sense to describe explosive situations, events, or emotions. It can signify intense reactions or dramatic events. Examples: there were fireworks between them on their first date, meaning they had intense chemistry. When the two rival politicians met, everyone expected fireworks, indicating that people expected a heated debate or confrontation. 1. Like a firework, describing something or someone bursting with energy or enthusiasm. Example: her performance on stage was like a firework, full of life and energy. 2. Sparkler, a type of firework that burns slowly and throws out a shower of sparks. It's also used to describe someone lively and exciting. Example: she's such a sparkler, always lighting up the room with her presence. Whether you're describing a celebratory night sky or a heated argument, the term fireworks can add color and intensity to your conversations. We hope this video illuminated the varied uses of fireworks in English. Keep exploring and lighting up your vocabulary journey. Until next time,